everyone. My name is Harlif Kaur Kohli. I will make a bird nest today. So, let me show you how to make the bird nest. I used some dry grass, twigs, feathers, an empty basket, cotton, paint, a black marker, glue, leaves, and scissors. I have also used a bird with some eggs. I have made this bird with wet mud. So now I'll start. First I'll put the dry grass in the basket. I'll settle it down. Then I'll use the twigs. I'll take the twigs out. And with the scissors, I'll cut it so that it just goes around. Now, I have some artificial leaves. You can also use real leaves to put it in the bird's nest. I have also made some leaves by my own with paper. So now the bird's nest is ready. Now I'll show how to make the bird. So I have made this with mud and then I painted it. I have also put some feathers. I have colored her eyes with black marker. But first, we will keep the bird's eggs inside the basket. And I have covered the mud with cotton. I will keep this. Now, I can show the bird coming like, ooh, ooh. You can also use the feathers to just put it, as some feathers falls from the bird's body. Now our nest is ready. We can make the nest in just 2 to 3 minutes, but the bird can't make its nest in such a short time. She has to take each and everything from somewhere and put it in her nest. So we should help the birds in making their nest. Thank you and have a wonderful day.